This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 9, Exit Ticket. So let's look at our first problem. Fill in the blank to simplify to find the answer to 18 times 3. Now, I cannot count 18 by 18 3 times in my head. Like, the number is just too large. And I guess we could count 18 times, but gosh, that would take such a long time, wouldn't it? So instead of doing that, we can take 18, that big number, and break it down into two smaller numbers. What can we multiply together to get 18? And they've given us one of our factors here. So 9 times what equals 18? So we know the answer is 9 times 2 equals 18. So when we break that down, we can say 9 times 2 times 3. That makes our equation, figuring out the answer, so much easier because 2 times 3, that's easy in our head, 6. And then we do 9 times 6, and we know that one too, 54. That's much easier than counting 18 times 3 or 3 times 18. We break it down into factors that we know. Okay, so what goes here? 9 times 2 times 3. Okay, so our answer is 2. All right, let's look at our next problem. Is number 4. Fill in the blank to simplify to find the answer to 18 times 3. So it's the same problem, we are just using different factors. So 18 is still too large. Let's break it down into 6. They've given us one factor. 6 times what equals 18? 6 times 3 equals 18. So we can do 6 times 3 times 3. So we already know our answer to this problem is 3. But I'm going to go ahead and work it out to show you how to figure this out. Okay, so we always do the parentheses first. 3 times 3 is 9. And what is 6 times 9? 6 times 9 is 54. So number 5 says solve 18 times 3. Well, we've done that 2 times, haven't we? We have here and here. So the answer to 18 times 3 is 54.